Hello, this is SeniorInside, your trusted health partner for seniors in America. Today, I want to share some very important news with you. It's about the new Medicaid income limits for 2025. Maybe until now, you were just a little over the limit and couldn't qualify for free Medicaid benefits. If that's you, this year's update might finally open the door for you. Every April, the income eligibility for Medicaid is adjusted. Let's take a look at the new 2025 numbers. Single person, $1,800 per month, up $68 from last year's $1,732. Married couple, $2,433 per month, up $82 from last year's $2,300. $51. It may look like a small increase, but for many seniors, this small change could mean the difference between qualifying or not qualifying for Medicaid. For example, last year, someone earning $1,170 per month was denied. But this year, with the new limit of $1,800, they now qualify. Sometimes just $30 or $40 difference decides whether you get full health care coverage or not. And if you're not good with online applications, don't worry. Help is available by phone, and many organizations offer free assistance with checking your eligibility and filling out the forms. Now, here's another important point. Even if your income looks a little higher than the limit, you may still qualify. Why? Because any money you pay for health, insurance like dental or vision coverage, can be deducted from your income. That means even if you thought you were above the limit, you might still be eligible. Also, not all Medicaid programs are the same. There are two main categories: MAGI Medicaid Modified Adjusted Gross Income, usually for those under 65, based on Modified Adjusted Gross Income. Non-MAGI Medicaid for those 65 or older, or with a disability, based on what's called countable income. So what is countable income? For non-work income, you subtract $20. For work income, you subtract $65, and then you only count half of what's left. That means someone earning $2,000 per month in wages might still qualify once the calculation is applied. This difference in calculation is why many seniors who assume they are over the limit actually qualify. Now, why do these numbers change every year? It's because Medicaid income limits are based on the federal poverty level FPL. Every January, the new FPL is published, and then the government uses it to adjust the income limits for all benefit programs. Medicaid uses 138% of the FPL as the cutoff. If your income is higher than that, you may not qualify for Medicaid, but you may still be eligible for covered California Obamacare. And remember this, since 2020, California requires all residents to have health insurance. If you don't, when you file your taxes, you'll face penalties. So whether it's Medicaid, Medicare, or Obamacare, you must have some form of coverage. For 2025, the federal poverty level has also been updated. Each time your household grows by one person, the income limit increases by about $5,500 per year or $450 per month. So it's important to check based on your family size. Now let's talk about retirement planning. If you expect your pension income to be slightly over the Medicaid limit, you can adjust in advance. Some people choose to work fewer hours, switch to part-time, or even apply for early retirement benefits, so their income stays within the limit. By planning ahead, you can secure your Medicaid eligibility. Why is Medicaid so important? Because as we age, health problems and financial challenges become inevitable. Hospital bills can easily reach tens of thousands of dollars. But Medicaid doesn't just cover medical bills. It also helps with in-home support, nursing care, and many other services that directly improve your quality of life in retirement. Let me quickly summarize today's key points. The 2025 Medicaid income limits are $1,800 for singles, $4,133 for couples, even if your income is above the limit. Deductions like health insurance premiums can make you eligible. The rules differ for those under 65 and those 65 or older. California requires health insurance, no exceptions. Medicaid is not just about health care costs. It's about protecting your independence and quality of life. Friends, Please don't underestimate the power of these changes. One small adjustment today could save you thousands of dollars in hospital bills tomorrow. And remember, access to Medicaid could be the key to aging with dignity, security, and peace of mind. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to Senior Inside. Share this information with your friends and family, because just one video could help save someone from financial disaster. Thank you for joining me today. This is Senior Inside, here to help you live healthier, longer, and with peace of mind.